Hey, so today we're gonna do something a little different. I got this review camera thing to install in my truck because I can't flip it. Well, because as you can see, well, y'all don't know what my car looked like before, but I have a Ford Escape 2010, and this is not the radio that it came with. It had buttons and stuff, but I switched it out. I bought this touchscreen one. Right back at you. Thank you. And I switched it out, changed the faceplate, and I did all that by myself. So I got this camera too, because when you put it in reverse, this part comes up. But I don't have a camera in, so obviously you're not gonna see anything right now, but that's what we're gonna do today. It's not gonna be a super long video. I just basically wanna, you know, for people that might look, you know, I found this on Amazon, so for people that might wanna buy it, I don't know if it's too many videos already on there. So the first thing that is here when I open it, it looks like a little Target symbol, but it says, "Dear customer, congratulations to you to be our lucky buyer of our brand." That does not sound grammatically correct. Now we want to send you a present. Okay. You can choose one of them as a gift. Okay, let me show y'all this front part. And then the back says, choose one, 3 sockets, cigarette lighter or LCD monitor. I'm not gonna lie, to be honest, I don't want either one of those, but I'll get the cigarette lighter because I don't need the monitor because I have the whole screen here. But yeah, that's what it says on the back. We have this little manual with the instructions and everything. Oh, I gotta go back in the house. I didn't get the little thing for this. So this is the camera. Let me take it out the plastic. Hold on. But I really hope y'all can hear me. I'm trying to talk loud. Oh, my eyebrows. Okay, so yeah, this is what the camera is looking like. It's supposed to go above my license plate. And then I'll screw it in place, and then it's adjustable. I think it's like a 170-degree field of view. I think that's what I read on the, it doesn't say it anywhere on here, but that's what it said on the listing on Amazon. So here are the cords that came with it. It's like the video input, I guess, with like the power, what they call it, the trigger cord or something like that. I heard somebody say. I guess you connect. Anyway, this English is not proper English. Please connect the camera to the reversing light, so it works only for reversing. If you connect its power to constant power or running light, it will be on all the time once you turn on the car. Okay. I think, so this has like, the radio itself has like a separate, because it's at the first little input, which connects to all the car stuff, the power and the speakers, and then at the second one, which is for the camera. So I don't think I'll have to do too much. I think all I have to do really is just plug and play, but we're going to see. Since there's a red cord coming out of both sides, all I have to do is plug one end into my reverse lights and the other end behind the radio. Let me start off by, what is the model on this? T01, I guess. T01 is the model number. Please keep this instructions or write down our email so you can find us once you have any question. We will be there for you forever. Okay, cool, thank you. Yeah, connect the red wire, blah, blah, blah. Okay. I don't need to read that, y'all. Yeah. I'm not gonna show y'all how I do. Well, I might, I don't know. I might just show y'all the finished product. Might not actually show you the setup part, but yeah. I'll be back. Y'all, please don't mind my super large forehead. I just like watched a little bit of the video because I'm doing it in segments, and my forehead looks huge. So this is the cord that plugs into my radio. It's an Alpine ILX-W650, something like that. A 7-inch. It got CarPlay, Auto, Android Auto, all that stuff. So yeah, let me see. What was I looking at? This ain't even the right oh crap, this is the wrong one. Anyway, yeah, the ILX-W650. Wait, so hold on, I'm confused. don't have to splice more stuff together, do I? Please tell me I don't, because I really don't feel it. Do I connect these? Connect the red wire of power to the positive power of the reversing light. Connect the black to the ground. Because I don't feel like doing this. Like, it took me so long. It didn't take me that long, but it took me long enough to, well, it did. It only felt like it took me that long because I bought another radio, a cheaper one from Amazon. It was like a little cheap little one. And it would not work. For some reason, it wouldn't turn on. Like, when I connected it to the battery, it turned on, it worked. But when I tried to connect it to the actual port in the car itself, it would not come on at all. And I don't know what the issue was. So I was like, let me just send it back and get another one. Because maybe, maybe it's just the radio is just tweaking. And then I got another one and it worked fine. But that's what makes it seem like it was a lot more work, because I did that twice, because I actually replaced the set of cords. I did the first time. When I got it, I spliced the cords together or whatever. Didn't work. Ordered another set of cords, disconnected from the first one, connected to the second one, still didn't work. So I disconnected that, sent the first radio back, bought this second radio, connected it to the cords again, and then it works perfectly fine. So that's why it seems like it was a lot of work when it was really I just had to do it more than once. Connect one small trigger wire, this, to the positive power of the, I guess to the reversing light with the red wire. With the red wire of the power cable, and completes the circuit. Somebody lying. Does this go in here? Maybe that's what we're trying to say. See, there was a much more direct way to say that. But that means I'm gonna have to disconnect this. I don't feel like doing that. Because that means I have to take this out. I have to take the tape off so I can access the reverse wire. So I can connect this to that. And I'm not disconnecting my battery because that takes so much work. So I think I'm gonna just pull the fuses out so I don't blow a fuse, because I blew it the first time and I have to go buy new ones. So I do have a pack of extras, but I don't even want to take the risk. Hold on, y'all. All right, I'm finna go get the little pry tools, because the last couple times I took my radio out. Well, each time I had to take it out, which was like 5 times. I used the knife, and I feel like if I just get the tools that pries it open, it'll be much easier and much faster. So I'm gonna just buy those. I heard they're only like $2, so let me just go get those real quick. I live right around the corner from the hardware store. So I'm gonna go get it. I could've went. Come on now, take a photo. And I already took the fuses out of my radio, so that's why there's no music. Park, and I'm here. See, told y'all it's right around the corner from the hardware store. Not even around the corner, really. It's on the same street. Just have to turn to get into the parking lot. Okay, y'all, I'm in the store. This is my first time vlogging, so I'm like all up in the wrong section. Hold on. Excuse me. Where can I find like the tools to like the pry open stuff?
Oh yeah, I have all of that in 18.
Okay.
So about the number over there.
Thank you. Okay, I really wish I could flip the camera while I'm filming, but I can't. Let me see. Y'all see it? 'Cause I don't see it. Okay, am I tweaking or am I just blind? Because I don't see. He said 18. I promise you, this is 18. So somebody's lying. Let me ask somebody else, because like I see box cutters, I see blades, I see hammers. I don't see no type of prying tools. All right, so they don't really have what I'm looking for, but I'm gonna see if I can find something else on it. So I have a little socket wrench, but it's so small, and I need to reach back, and then it's like the twisting is irritating. I'm gonna see if I can find them. See if I can find an electric one, or at least like a bigger extension or something. That was a waste of my time. They didn't have anything that I was looking for, so I'm going back to my car. I'm just going to use what I've been using my knife and the little socket wrench that I already have. Try to be lazy getting electrical. Well, that was a waste of time. So, let me just go home. I don't even know if I want to do. I have to do this anyway because I got to put the steering wheel control adapter. So I have to take it out anyway, and then I got to put the rest of the screws on it because it's supposed to have 4 screws on the radio. But since I only have 2 because I couldn't find the other ones, it's not completely like secure. Like it's in there, but it's moving. It's loose. So I gotta put the other 2 because I found them in there. All right, so I'm back at home. I must just do it with the stuff that I have. I don't feel like that's necessary to include in this video, so we're gonna speed this right along. And I will get back to you all, I guess, when I'm done or almost done or something. So I put the wires and everything connected. I got the whole thing running through my car right now. I haven't tucked it in, and you know, I'll come back when everything's back in. But yeah, so that's where I'm at right now. I'm about to I just connected it. I spliced the cords. I spliced the cords and everything back together. So now I have to go make sure that it works. So all right, so yeah, this is how this works. The way that I set it up, I did not have it that the camera's on 24/7 because that's stupid. So it's only on when I turn on the reverse. So put it in reverse. There's the camera, there's everything behind me. I can see, I'm not gonna hit things anymore. And that's about it. So as y'all can see, it looks pretty stock, I guess is the word. I put all the screws in, so it's not moving. It's pretty flat, pretty flush. And I think it looks good. Mute that because I don't know what's gonna start. You shut up. Yep. It's cool. Okay, so yep. Honestly, I forgot to like close out the video, so this is like 2-3 weeks later. Yeah, I'm proud that I did all of this by myself. I didn't, you know, have to go to nobody else to do it. I wanted to figure out how to do it, and I did it. Saved me some money. So that's about it. So I don't know if I should do my same outro that I do in my other videos, my hair videos, but I guess I can. So bye from the guy with no sides. Yeah, don't know. Bye.